Today we are bringing you the best power banks in India. We have selected 10 of the best power banks that are available to buy today. These are among the most popular and highest rated power banks that you can buy in 2021. We have selected power banks from the top brands, and these are all popular power banks that have been purchased by lots and lots of people and have got very high ratings. With the amount of devices that we are using every day, from smartphones to tablets to Bluetooth earphones to so much more, having a good power bank is almost a necessity. If you're looking for a good power bank, just stay on with this video till the end. You'll find 10 amazing options, and I'm sure that you will find the one that will fit your needs the best. All the links for the products are there in the description, so if you like anything, just go to the description, click on the link, and you can buy it instantly. Let's get started. At the number 10 spot is the Realme 10000 mAh 2i power bank. This power bank has high density lithium polymer batteries which deliver very efficient and stable charging, and it has a massive capacity of 10,000 mAh with which you'll be able to power your devices many times over. This power bank not only reduces the charging time for your devices significantly thanks to its 12 watt two-way quick charge, but it itself also gets charged pretty quickly. It has got USB-C as well as micro USB connectivity, so you can charge the power bank very easily using any cable and any Android device. With two output ports, the Realme 10000 mAh 2i will let you charge two devices simultaneously. If you want to charge accessories like smartwatches, smartbands or earphones and you want low current, then you need to just double tap the power button and it will go on to low current mode, which will then safely charge your smaller devices. This power bank comes with 14 different layers of protection, which means that you will be able to charge your devices without any worry or stress. At the number 9 spot, we have the Lenovo USB-C laptop power bank. This is actually a power bank that is most effective when you're on the move or you don't have any access to charging your laptop, and it actually gives you a whole lot of power when you're on the move. The Lenovo USB-C laptop power bank is compatible with Lenovo and ThinkPad Slim Tip and USB-C powered notebooks. This massive power bank provides 48 watt hours of battery life, which is 14,000 mAh. That will really significantly extend your notebook's life and your own productivity. It also has two integrated USB-A ports, which means that the Lenovo USB-C laptop power bank will also power smaller mobile devices. It is portable, but it also fully supports simultaneous charging, which means that you'll be able to charge your notebook and charge your power bank at the same time while you're at your workstation. It has very fast recharge time and will get fully charged in less than 2 hours. And the standby life is a massive 365 days. At just 290 grams, it is very portable and it supports USB-C and slim tip laptops through dongle and two USB ports for other mobile devices. At the number 8 spot, we have the Syska P1016B Power Pocket 100 power bank. This is a really good power bank. It is a 10,000 mAh power bank. It comes with dual USB output and has a Type-C input and micro USB input. And the dual USB output is of 5 volts, 2.4 amperes. This power bank has a very long battery life. It has a battery indicator and intelligent multi-protection circuits for safety. It also has advanced current shunt and overcharging and discharging protection. And it also comes with a 6 months warranty and weighs just 285 grams. That means it's going to be extremely easy to carry it around. This is a smart looking power bank, and the Syska P1016B Power Pocket 100 is available in two colors, black and white. At the number 7 spot, we have the Ambrain Stylo 10F power bank. This is a 10,000 mAh capacity lithium polymer power bank. It features power delivery technology for two-way fast charging through Type-C ports. This is a QC 3.0 enabled power bank. This power bank is available in two colors, smoky white and shady black. The Stylo 10F has an elongated rectangular shape which makes it look very smart, and the power button is feather touch, and it also has a LED light at the top. With this power bank, it's easy to charge different devices. This is basically a power bank that has a high density, durable 10,000 mAh polymer battery, which has very high efficiency and charging conversion rate. This battery is much more durable and reliable, and it is also safer than other non-branded lithium-ion batteries. And through PD technology via the Type-C port, this power bank features two-way charging, and it charges 3 times faster than regular power banks. When you use this PD charging feature, then the LED light turns green, and this Stylo 10F power bank has 2 input options, a micro USB and a Type-C port, which makes it easy to charge the power bank. The LED charging indicator at the top of the power bank indicates the power status of the power bank clearly and easily. It has a compact size and it will easily fit into your pocket and is made for charging on the go. And of course, its rectangular frame etched with a numeric texture gives it a really striking and stylish look. At the number 6 spot is the P-Tron Dynamo Zip 20,000 mAh power bank. This power bank supports USB-C ports and has PD output as well as input, but you'll have to use a 18-watt PD adapter. With this, it'll charge the power bank very fast, and it is 60 to 80% faster than 5V 2 ampere power adapters that recharge other power banks. Since it has a 20,000 mAh capacity, it takes longer to charge. It will take about 6 to 7 hours to fully charge this power bank. With a 2-port design, it means that you can charge 2 devices at the same time with a total maximum power of 5 volts and 3 amperes. The P-Tron Dynamo Zip PD power bank has 20,000 mAh capacity battery inside it that will really help you to charge your devices throughout the day. This portable power bank will allow you to charge your large battery devices also 3 to 5 times. This is an ideal choice for you to take on a long trip for hiking or for office work where you are on a long commute. It has a very good design. It is ergonomic. It has a body arc curve design which gives it a better hand grip. And for the convenience of indicating how much power is there in the power bank, there is a LED indicator. With a slim and portable design, it is easy to carry it in your backpack and take it wherever you go. It comes with a USB Type-C charger cable, and this portable battery charger can auto-detect the charging requirements and deliver the fastest charging speed. This power bank recharges with 5V 2 ampere adapter, which is twice as fast as the normal 5V 1 ampere input, and it saves the external battery pack's recharging time by at least 50%. This is a very safe power bank, and it is also durable and strong. It's resistant to drops and physical shocks. It has a metal aluminum alloy casing which protects the internal components, circuit and the battery in case of a impact. Because of the metal casing, the price goes up, but it is a safer option, and it protects the power bank if it falls, and it is also anti-flaming and thereby better than ordinary plastic casing. At the number 5 spot, we have the Mi Power Bank Boost Pro. This is a massive 30,000 mAh battery capacity power bank. It features PD 3.0, which is power delivery 3.0, and also offers fast recharging through USB Type-C port. This Mi Boost Power Pro power bank has a 16-layer circuit protection, a very advanced 16-layer circuit protection technology. With power delivery PD 3.0, this power bank can be charged with peak power of 24 watts that can charge up the power bank within 7.5 hours, even though it is 30,000 mAh. It has high-density lithium polymer batteries, which improve the charging conversion rates and also stabilize the discharge voltage. This is a highly innovative power bank that is actually crowd-funded and is right now in the second round of crowdfunding. This massive power bank has 3 ports, 2 USB Type-A ports and 1 USB Type-C port. With the Type-C port, you can charge any compatible device and also charge the power bank itself. You can charge this power bank also with a micro USB cable. This power bank comes with a 18-watt fast charging support and can charge 3 devices simultaneously. So overall, it supports USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging input and output, as well as USB Type-C to Lightning port charging. With USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging, the power bank can be charged with a peak power of 24 watts. Also, its batteries have advanced resistance capacitance sensors that make it a very safe power bank. At the number 4 spot, we have the Max Oak 50,000 mAh gigantic power bank. The Max Oak is all about battery capacity of 50,000 mAh. With this kind of capacity, it will not only charge your smartphones and tablets but also your laptops. The MaxOak comes with 4 USB Type-A ports, a 20 volt port and a 12 volt port. With the USB ports, you can charge your smartphones and tablets. With a 20 volt port and the 12 volt port, you can charge your laptops by plugging in the right kind of connector. Of course, it also has an in port that is used to charge the power bank itself. One of the drawbacks with MaxOak is that it is a massive power bank, and that affects its portability. Not just massive in terms of power, in terms of size and weight also it is more than the others. At the number 3 spot, we have the Embrain PP20 power bank. This is 20,000 mAh power bank with a combined rating of 5 volts and 2.1 amperes thanks to its dual USB inputs. One of the USB inputs has a micro USB port and the other one has a Type-C port. This power bank has a high capacity polymer battery which is very efficient. It looks very smart and has a premium rubberized finish. It has dual input and dual output. The Embrain PP20 is compact and smart and an ideal backup source for mobiles and other devices. Another great thing about this Embrain power bank is that it offers high efficiency and charging conversion rates. Coming to almost the top of the list, at the number 2 spot, we have the Anker PowerCore Plus 10050. The PowerCore Plus 10050 comes with Quick Charge 3.0. This is truly a high-speed, high-capacity portable charger which delivers faster and safer charging thanks to advanced technology. This is a very popular power bank and the brand claims that it has got over 20 million happy customers, and this customer base is continuously increasing. The PowerCore Plus 10050 features 3 different fast charging technologies, and that's why it ensures that any and all devices are charged through this power bank in the shortest possible time. With this power bank, you will be able to get the best charging time no matter what your device. It will be able to recharge most phones 3 times over, and though it is small in size, it has great power. It will easily charge tablets and also any other USB charging devices. It contains LG battery cells and features cutting-edge circuitry technology. This power bank is very durable. It has aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and it has a very stylish look that will match all your smartphones and tablets. It also comes with some excellent features like surge protection and short circuit prevention. It also features temperature control and advanced safety features that ensure that the power bank and all your devices are always safe. Now we come to the number 1 power bank according to us in India right now, which is the Mi 20,000 mAh 2i. Xiaomi's 20,000 mAh Mi power bank, the 2i model, has an innovative design and is a top quality power bank. It delivers quality and high output capacity together. It has fast charging support and has a high capacity battery, and it offers more charging and allows you to charge more devices on the go than others. This is at the sweet spot of features, power, quality and price. So it delivers absolutely top-notch value for money. The Mi 20,000 mAh 2i supports dual USB output and allows you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. It weighs only 358 grams and is very portable, and it is made from high quality environment friendly PC plus ABS material. The Mi 20,000 mAh 2i uses fast charging to fully charge itself in just around 3 hours. It has numerous built-in safety features and the fast charging comes with QC certification. One drawback is that it only comes with a micro USB cable and you will need a converter for Type-C or Lightning ports. That brings us to the end of the video of the best power banks in India. We hope you found it useful. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos from us.